Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 16. Bulk Edit Ads URL. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to bulk edit ads URL, step by step. So let's get started. So from our Microsoft Ads dashboard, select all campaigns and then select ads and extensions. From top here you can select all ads or unselect the one you don't want to edit. Or you can manually select ads you want to edit. Then go to Edit button on top, click on its arrow and select Change URL Options. From here, you can set action, set value for tracking, enter URL suffix, custom parameters and save changes. Let's set action as find and replace text and select tracking template. Then enter your find and replace text. Next set action as append text, here enter your append text and choose where it should appear. Now set action as set URL options, then set tracking template, choose one option and click on save. So this is how you can bulk edit ads URL. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 17. How to pause ads. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to pause ads, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.